people. So we are at this restaurant called Angan, which is near Yatri Nivas, and I'm with one of my closest friends, and she is actually treating me to such a beautiful lunch here. It's a Saturday afternoon, and so that's what it's. So we're waiting for the food to come, but it seems like it's quite a nice place here. It's a little dimly lit, but it seems pretty all the same. So if you could take a look. And Renu, you'd like to say something? I have to say this. Any video that features Renuka immediately gets 45 views, 90 views. Considering most of the time I have like 14 views, 15 views. So that is just how big the contrast is. And YouTube has this policy of always it picks the most attractive face.
No, no,
Yeah,
over to Monica.
yeah, YouTube picks the most attractive face, and it's always Renu's. Whenever when I make a video with her. So yeah, we're waiting for the food to come, but so that's what I'm so looking forward to such a beautiful Saturday afternoon. So thanks, Renu, and this seems like a nice place. At Yatri Nivas restaurant, Angan is the restaurant. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.